welcome the Chief Economic Development Specialist from Department of Economy, Planning and Development 6. Please welcome Miss Maria Leia M. Letrero. A round of applause, please.
Good morning to all. After DepEd, neighbor man kami to. So I'm just going to go through regarding literacy and mass media. So actually we called this out from what was presented by our undersecretary, our director at the national. And we see that we can learn from this kasi hindi masyado na mass media. So we hope na we can impart it here. So my presentation will go through kung ano yung mga key highlights in 2024 FLEMS, what is the role of media in improving literacy, and the importance of improving media literacy, some of the global best practices to improve literacy in the Philippines, of course, also the policy and program implications as well as ways forward. So, these are some of the key highlights at the national level, no? Pero as we all know, we will say 90% in terms of basic literacy or how we are in basic literate, Region 6 ranked 8 with Aklan as the highest. So in ages 10 to 64 regarding functional literate, we also have, we rank 6, no? And that's with Aklan also the highest and Iloilo the lowest. So, and among the working age population, we looked at the kanina that was presented by my Ma'am Alviar, the gaps. And so the growing gaps in basic and functional literacy, especially among the working age population, that signals a deeper issue that we need to equip people not just with basic skills, but with the tools to comprehend, think critically, and discern truth from misinformation. So in Western Visayas, when I went to look at the regional development report, our global competitiveness of Tibet graduates, they have already integrated the 21st century skills into their Tibet programs. So all technical vocational institutions are mandated to integrate 21st century skills into the competency-based curriculum for all registered training programs. So this ensures that the learners develop not only technical expertise, but also essential skills such as critical thinking, digital literacy, and problem solving. So by aligning training with industry needs, this initiative also enhances our workforce readiness, fosters innovation, and prepares graduates for the evolving job market. So we wish also that probably for a higher, so for CHED, to also include the 21st skills needs. So next slides. We looked at the mass media, in terms of mass media literacy. There are some persistent challenges that have been highlighted. Media literacy is a critical factor in these times. So we need to respond to it, especially as we are in the digital world.